Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Syafiqah Zairin binti Muhammad Shuib. Today, I will explain about hysteresis and eddy current loss. What is hysteresis? Hysteresis is the inability of molecules in a ferromagnetic material to rapidly change their magnetization in accordance with the change in an applied magnetic field. What is hysteresis loss? Hysteresis loss is caused by the magnetization and demagnetization of the core as current flow forward and reverse direction. As the magnetizing force or current increase, the magnetic flux will increase. But when the magnetizing force current decrease, the magnetic flux doesn't decrease at the same rate, but less gradually. See the relationship between magnetizing force H with flux density B is shown as on hysteresis curve or hysteresis loops. Dot line from this point 0 point to A, which is from 0 to A is when we apply more magnetizing force, the flux density also will increase. So now next we will go from A to B. From A to B is when we reduce H, the B also reduce, but it not go to 0. So how we want to make the B become 0? So we need to apply a negative value of H, which is from point B, from here to C. So from C to D is when applied more H in negative direction, it will increase B in reverse direction. So next from D, E, F, A is when we reduce H, it also will reduce B, but it will not go to 0. Then by increasing positively, the also decrease and certain point it again change the polarity to negative until it reach point A. Next is hysteresis loss equation. The equation is PB equal to N times with B max to the power of N times with F times with V. So next, we go to eddy current. What is eddy current? Eddy current is the changing flux linked with the core itself. It induces EMF in the core, which is then set up the circulating current. The current in return produces a loss called eddy current loss or I to R loss, where I is the value of the current and R is the resistance of the eddy current part. Reduce eddy current loss. How to reduce eddy current loss? They have two methods. The first method is by reducing the magnitude of the eddy current. The magnitude of the current can be reduced by splitting the solid core into thin sheet called lamination. The second method is the eddy current loss is also reduced by using a magnetic material has a higher value of resistivity like silicon steel. Is eddy current loss formula. The formula is PE is equal to KE times B max to the power of 2 times with F to the power of 2 times with T to the power of 2 and times with V. Go to the difference between hysteresis loss and eddy current loss. So for eddy current, the definition is the loss occur because of the relative motion between the core and the magnetic flux. Meanwhile, hysteresis loss, the losses which occur because of the reversal of the magnetism is known as the hysteresis loss. So for the formula, as we can see, eddy current is PE is equal to KE times with B max to the power of 2 times with F to the power of 2 times with T to the power of 2 times with V. And for hysteresis loss is PB equal to N times with B max to the power of N times with F and times with V. So for the occur, for eddy current, interaction of the magnetic flux and the conductor. For the hysteresis, because of reversal of flux. Minimizing method. For eddy current, by making the core of thin lamination. And for the hysteresis loss, by using silicon steel material. As a conclusion, the hysteresis loss and eddy current loss both occur in the core of transformer. Because of these losses, the power dissipated in the form of heat, and this heat increased the temperature of the machine. Thank you.